Hi, welcome to my closet. It is an absolute mess and I am going to be doing a major declutter because I have too much stuff, and you might have saw my cat jump up. I have too many clothes and a lot of clothes I don't wear, and I'm gonna be real candid with you. I don't do full body shots of my body because I'm not very comfortable with my body. I'm gonna be getting rid of some clothes, and some clothes I will put up for sale either on Poshmark or Depop. I haven't decided which one I'm going to use, and some stuff will just be donated. And so without further ado, I'm going to just start pulling clothes down because it's a mess. It's a mess. And you'll find that I don't have a lot of style. So I'm going to do my closet, and then over that way I have a dresser. I'm not going to touch this side. This is my husband's side, and those are his clothes to deal with. This one's definitely a keep. I have a thing for flannels. Obviously, this one's a keep. Beetlejuice. Definitely gonna be keeping that. Snoopy sweater, so comfortable. My stripes, I love these. I'm gonna hold on to those. Trick or Treat, Beetlejuice. I love these, even though they don't fit me as well as they used to. Makes me sad, but it is what it is. Probably my favorite Halloween top that I own. Year-round piece for me. Forever hold on to this Oogie Boogie cardigan. It is just comfortable, cute. I love the hood. I want Hot Topic to want to partner with me. I should probably apply for that, but it'd be so cool. I love Hot Topic. I love this cardigan, but I don't wear it. I love it. I can't, my husband hates this because it sheds in his black car, and then he has yellow fuzz everywhere and it's hard to get off the seat, but I love this. I'm gonna keep it. And I have this. I love the purple, but we washed it with something and I cannot for the life of me get these little things off. I love it though. I want to keep it, but I need, like, it is so cute. It's a light, like, lavender purple. It just looks so nice on. So wow, that took up a lot of chunk. And then my last items here are dresses. I have this Killstar dress. I got this one on Poshmark. I haven't worn it since I got it. I think I'm just gonna get rid of it. It does have a little staining on the collar, which I bought it that way, but it's super cute. And I have this black dress. I'm gonna keep it because it's a very simple, beautiful black dress. And I got this specifically for me and my husband's 10-year anniversary. We went to New Orleans and we went to a really nice restaurant and we got dressed up and got fancy. This is a really cute dress. I'm a little self-conscious wearing it because it's so, like, low cut and I don't like people looking at me. It's super cute. I love the ruffle end, so I'm gonna hold on to it. This is a cute dress. I typically have to wear a tank top underneath if I wear this to work because it's a little too low cut, but it fits me and it's a medium. I swear, like, sizes have changed over the years because I bought this a while ago and now this brand medium doesn't fit me. I'm gonna wrap up, clean up this, and I will tackle the beast back here. This is all hoodies and some other tops, but mainly hoodies. I really need to cut back on the hoodies. I wear too many. Hi, hello. I don't know how well you can hear me, but it is a brand new day. It's actually Monday. I have kind of a headache going on. I'm taking the day to just edit and film this video, so I'm gonna finish up going through all my clothes, and right now I'm gonna tackle the back section in this closet, and then I'll move on to my dresser where I have too many hoodies. Like, I have way too many hoodies, so I'm gonna drag them all out and then go from there. While I'm here, I have some scarves that I don't wear, so I'm gonna get rid of these. And actually, these are Hogwarts scarves that I crocheted myself. I used to crochet, so most of this is hoodies, but I have some like Halloween stuff mixed in. So I have a mess. I'm just gonna throw all the clothes on the bed, and then I'm gonna sort it once I'm done with everything. You'll find that I have a problem. It's a problem. Who needs this many SpongeBob hoodies? I'm only gonna keep a couple of these. Oh, I forgot one more. Another emotionally exhausted one. This one is a crop top. Unfortunately, I've been trying to wear it and I hate how it looks on me. Better, but not by much. I also have some shoes I'm gonna get rid of. Alright, and that is everything from the closet behind me. Now to tackle the problem, which is all my t-shirts and pants. I don't have a ton of pants, but I do have a lot of pants that I don't like. So I'm gonna take a break, get some water because it's warm, and let's finish this video up. Alright, so this is my dresser. I don't know how well this is gonna work. So I have socks, bras, underwear. In the drawer that you can't see is tank tops. Then I have like my sports bras and workout clothes. And then this can't even open all the way. That's my t-shirts and my pants. Hide the feet. You can see all my lovely tattoos. And let's just get into the pants. I have a headache, and that's a problem. That's my cat Pumpkin. We gotta be careful with our drawers because our cats like to jump in them. And if we don't catch it in time, they will get trapped. And that happened to, not that cat, but our cat Carl. So I know I'm gonna keep these. These are the Kinsey brand. I love this brand. They fit me very well. Indigo Rain, one of my favorite pairs of ripped jeans. Now these jeans are Zara. They have rips at the knees. I love this, but they make me feel so fat. This is a US size 4, and it does not feel like a 4. I can make it work though, and I think it's going to be the pair that I hold on to just to encourage me even more to lose weight. Another Kinsey pair. I am going to keep this. They have like little ripped ends. Most of my jeans that I'm going to end up getting rid of are jeans that I had to hold on to work retail, and since I'm not working retail as much anymore, I'm not going to fret about holding them. Oh, I thought that it could be somebody with these Hot Topic pants. I absolutely love them. Wore them maybe once. As much as I love it, I just can't make it work for me, so there are no. Same with, I have these. the black and white ones. These are actually super thin, so I thought I could get away wearing them with like a Beetlejuice outfit in like October, but they're too thin. Universal thread, Target brand. I like them, but I don't wear them. Celebrity Pink. I actually forgot I had these. I like this pair. 1822 brand. I like this brand, but I don't like how dark jeans look on me unless they are ripped. So I'm gonna get rid of basically all of my dark jeans. This is 1822 also. For pants, I range from a size 4 to a size 8 depending on the brand, and not all size 27 is the same. Indigo Rain, I think I'm just gonna get rid of these. I love them, but I got bleach splatter all on them because I'm more on that bleached my hair while wearing jeans. And these are Kendall and Kylie brand. Gonna get rid of those also. Another Kinsey brand. These are a high-rise dark blue denim. I'll hold on to one dark blue. I really like light blue on me. I'm not too much of a fan of dark blue. And then another Kinsey brand, another high waist one. Gonna keep those. 1822, gonna get rid of these. Forgot I had these. These are American Eagle ripped jeans. Very comfortable. Why did I forget I had these? I love American Eagle ripped jeans. They are so comfortable. This brand is Sneak Peek. I don't like the fit of these. This one I like. These look really good in the fall with some flannel. Brand is William Rast. And I think the rest are shorts. And I have old retail shirts for the holidays. And then I have a pair of black slacks for if I ever get a job interview. So these shorts, I think I'm gonna keep the Kenzie ones, I like the star ones. I think I'm gonna get rid of these black ones. And I think this pair of Almost Famous ones. I think they're both Almost Famous, yeah. I'm gonna get rid of those too. Obviously, this isn't all that I own. I do have to do laundry, but obviously I wear the stuff that I have to wash, so I'm not too concerned about not including it. Alright, so these ones are my ripped jeans, and these are my non-ripped jeans. So a lot of this just doesn't fit me anymore, and I'm just holding on to it. So I'm going to, like, I'll show the camera, but I'm just gonna do a quick separate what I'm gonna keep and what I'm not gonna keep, because there's so much in here, I'll be here forever. Side note, this is my absolutely favorite shirt ever. Obviously, big fan of SpongeBob.
X-Ride.
Okay, one thing I know I'm not going to get rid of are any of my band tees. I have mainly the Devil Wears Prada, which is all these, and then I have Spirit Box. Definitely holding on to those. So I mean, it's like never ending. Why do I have so much? And I'm not getting rid of a lot. I'm not. Another side note, this Lucifer shirt from Black Craft Cult. I have had this since, when did I buy this? I bought this at Warped Tour, so that'll give you an idea of how old it is. But this wasn't even the last Warped Tour I went to. I'm still holding on to it.
1, 2, 3.
I feel as if I'm not getting rid of nearly as much as I should. Now I'm just gonna quickly fold, and I might end up taking a few more out. I do not know. So let's take a moment of honesty. I have a bunch of stuff to sort through, and I don't know if I want to go through the hassle of trying to sell some things on Poshmark or Depop. Nobody tells you, but it's a lot of work to take photos and make the listings. It's forever. It takes forever. And I don't know if I have the energy for that. So I'm going to set up the camera in a better position and sort through everything, and I'll put things to the side that I'm going to be donating. And yeah, I will wrap up the video when I'm finally done.
Is life even worth living? And all that I see is gray. Should I keep on breathing or fall in a deep dark space? They say things get better, just hold your time and wait. But it feels like I'm waiting forever. I'm ready to end this pain. Close my eyes and fade away. Fade away.
Alright, so tentatively donate, possible, sell on Poshmark. I may say F it and just donate everything because it's too much work, but I did good. I did good. Okay, hi. Yes, this is me having a proper send-off for my clothing declutter. I've been going through some things the last few days. I have a video coming up on Friday doing my makeup, talking about things, but yeah, I actually ended up getting rid of a lot of clothing, and I took most of it to donate to the local charity shop, and yeah, loaded up the trunk of stuff. So I feel much better with a smaller closet, but as you can see, I have no style. Like, I'll see closet tours of people, and I'm not talking about like people with designer clothes, I'm just talking about like alternative, just cool people in general. Like, they have so much variety and like stuff, and I have nothing. I like comfy, I like cozy, I like alternative, and that's it. I will be putting some things up over on my Poshmark, and I'm just using Poshmark because it's something that I know how to use. So expect some things up probably next week. I need to figure out the best way to photograph the things, because that's a big part of making a sale, is having decent photos. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up. I've gone on too much. This video is probably way too long, and yeah, don't forget to follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.